Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Optifine on SKLauncher. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up Optifine. Now click on Installations Manager right here. Click on New Installation. Now give it a name, for example, new version if you want to. Leave it to vanilla. Release right here. Let's leave it for now. Okay? So once that's done, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and find Optifine. Just like so, and hit on enter. Click on downloads right here, the search results. So once you click on downloads, it will look like this. Okay, so just basically click on show all version and just download the version that you want. So I'm just going to download the latest one right here, which is 1.21.11. Click on download. Now wait for the skip button right here at the top right to pop up and just click on skip and again download. Save it wherever you want. I'm just going to save it on my desktop. And as you can see here, it is an executable jar. So click on save, wait for it, and it's done. You can now go ahead and close the browser, close, and here we have it. Okay, so what you'll do now, since we have selected 1.21.11, under vanilla right here, select 1.21.11 as well. Okay, and then after that, go ahead and click on save. If you want, you can go ahead over to more options, adjust the resolution right here at the RAM. It's up to you. Okay, so just click on save. Now hit on play. All right. When you hit on play, it will download the necessary files for you to be able to run with this version of Minecraft under your SKLauncher. Okay. So let's just wait for it. And then once that's done, it will try to open up the game. You can just wait for it and to exit out. All right. Like this one. You can just close this one for now. Close. And then after that, go ahead and close the SKLauncher. Make sure that it is not running in the background. Now double click on Optifine. Click on install. It says here Optifine is successfully installed. Click on OK. Now you could rerun SKLauncher and you should now be able to see Optifine in the list right here. All right. So just click on play, wait for the download process to finish. And once that's done, enjoy. And that's how easy it is to download Optifine on SKLauncher. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.